This was such a wonderful experience, definitely a core memory from my Bali trip. I booked the private Balinese dining and cooking class at Boheme Canggu and it was so worth it. The operator was very responsive and the chef and his assistant were so kind and fun to be with. I chose Balinese cuisine and learned so many new things. After the class, I brought the food back to my villa, and I ended up eating everything there because it was so delicious. My top favorite was the Dadunti, absolutely the best. The place was nice and cozy too. Super worth it and highly recommended for anyone looking for an authentic local experience in Bali. Follow me on IG/TikTok for the cooking vlog. Hey, it's me, Aloe Smile. Cool looks directions were wrong. I went to the wrong place, used the Google app again, and arrived 3.4 kilometers away, had fun for half a day. As expected, cool look at such a pretty place, and the staff was friendly. I rested on a bed with good cost effectiveness, swam in the pool, and when I came out on the floating setting, people were all looking at me. The place was pretty, so there were many Westerners, and it was quiet and nice. The rice field view in front of the pool was pretty, and although the place is not big, it had a comfortable atmosphere like my home, so I had a great time going alone. I traveled alone and used the beaches with pools diligently by making Cool Look reservations, and I keep feeling that Cool Look is cheap. Thank you, Cool Look. The environment is beautiful and cooking next to the swimming pool is very special. The chef is friendly and attentive, great. The whole process is interesting and worth recommending. The environment at Boheme Canggu Bali is really nice with a peaceful view. The food was delicious, especially the floating lunch.